Founded in 1983, Yusheng Electrical Enterprises Company Limited is a manufacturer in the heavy electrical industry. With the products sold as important public works and project equipment and power equipment in Taiwan and around the world, the company has earned high reputation and popularity. The company has obtained the ISO 9001-2008 CNS 12681 quality certification of the Bureau of Standards Metrology and Inspection (MOEA), and is a heavy electrical manufacturer registered as a trademark of the said institution. Since inception, Yusheng Electrical has developed reliable power equipment to meet the demand for stable power in every country. In response to the market needs, an office was set up in Kunshan City, Jiangsu, China in 1999, and a factory was set up in Yixing City, Jiangsu in 2005. With the rapid and flourishing development of the high-tech industries worldwide, the development of various types of precision machines and equipment has expanded in scale. Relative to the precision mechanical equipment and processes such as IC semiconductor, CNC machines, precision laser cutting, EMS, PCB production equipment, PLC program control, microelectronics production, SMT, computer automation, and more. The high-tech industry's massive use of computer and precision equipment has led to power and voltage equipment's high sensitivity to power and voltage changes, because excessive changes in the voltage are likely to result in abnormal operation, breakdowns, and even frequent crashes. With professional technological designs, planning, and production power saving and energy conservation transmission and distribution systems, Yusheng Electrical endeavors to ensure the security, stability, and accuracy of the precision equipment and stabilize the power voltages in order to address and ensure the efficient implementation of the equipment functions. Yusheng leads the world by means of its specialized electrical and mechanical engineering. All the production processes, from raw material preparation, coil winding, silicon steel stacking, assembly, drying, testing, to product shipments, undergo vertical production. Yusheng's main products include voltage regulators, microcomputer regulators for precision equipment, electronic voltage regulators for precision equipment, high and low voltage transmission and distribution transformers, reactors, mechanical control transformers, and other products. Yusheng Electrical has always endeavored to diversify its power supply and electronic equipment related technologies. Through continuous innovation and research and development, it aims to meet the demand of the energy-saving environment. Adhering to customer first, our ultimate goal is to offer post-sale services through dedicated effort.